Make another spider. And I've been making a paper airplane collection. I think this one's pretty cool. Like these are touching. So I'm going to be showing you guys some throwing things. So what I did last time is I threw it. See my chair? It went like this. And all the way through. Let's see how big this can do. Yeah. So guys, I made a couple different ones, but this one just flew like beautiful. So let's do it. Oh, that was too good. Oh yeah, I actually want to show you guys some of the planes I made. These I made at school. We got triple decker, 3 planes. And we got this huge one. No way that was in the garbage. Oh, that just missed the garbage, guys. So yeah, I got some pretty good ones. Big one I actually think flies really good. The triple decker is just to hold the planes, not really to do anything else. So. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Ooh, not too good. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make them. So yeah, let's do this. So basically, what you wanna do is you wanna fold it so like one's like this, and like that. Okay, sorry. So then you're gonna wanna fold the other side. And it's supposed to be basically as much as the other side. It's okay if it's a little less. And you're gonna see this side. You're gonna fold it over until it gets to the half. Fold it down. Do the same on the other side. So what you want to do is just boom, flip it. So then you're gonna have it like this, and then you're gonna flip it over like this. Turn it around. Flip it over like this. Open it up. Kind of boom. Yeah. See you guys. It came out pretty well. Came out pretty well. Now let's fly it. Oh, it's looking good. Guys, look. I'm gonna keep this clip on so you know that it actually happened. It landed. The handle. It must have like slipped like that. Amazing, guys. Oh my. Yeah, that's what you call a good paper airplane. So that was skill, because I just saw it hanging, so I'm like, yeah, I better show you guys. Like, I didn't know where it was, but bathroom. I don't know if you saw, but it went right over you guys. I think I just made a really good one. Guys, oh my god, same clip. Oh my god. 2 times in a row, the same handle. 2 times in a row. I don't even know. Sorry about that. I don't even know how that happened. Ooh, pretty nice. I like this one. Guys, thank you for being with me while I made this beautiful airplane. I love it. How is it so good? Like, first of all, it fit into a small area twice. Like, whoa. No, you don't like that. That's what we want. Oh my god. I'll throw it once more, guys. I really know how it's so good. It's very good. Guys. Oh my god. No, I ended it. Okay, guys, same throw. Just threw it. It fits into small spaces the best. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. I have a feeling Eric Haynes and maybe Tap Tap Pop are just face palming all around right now. One more throw. Guys, no! Please. Guys, the plane went in this crack. Do you see it? Alright, I'm showing you. It went. Where'd it go? That's a paper airplane. I need to try to get this out. I don't even know what I'm grabbing. I just want to get this thing out. No, it's so good. Yes, guys. Oh my god. You guys saw it. That was true. It went right. Look. What are the odds? Right. What are the odds of it going right into there? I don't even know. This plane is just too good. This plane is too good. It went in the same place. I think it fell out, but I swear it was in there. See, guys. It's in there. What's my luck? I need to do one more quick because it's going to be a 10-minute video. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was pretty good. But anyways, guys, peace. That's actually pretty good. Look. But anyways, guys, peace out. It was right there, but peace out.